Hey, what's up? It's Tom and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the Google Pixel 5, aka my new phone. For the last couple of months, I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, which is a brilliant phone, but I just wasn't getting along with the battery. The battery ended up lasting me just over half a day before I had to charge it again, which was just useless for me. I had to carry a power bank with me and everything. So I decided to get a new phone. There were many options to choose from. I was thinking of getting an Oppo initially, but I decided to go back to Pixel simply because I absolutely adore the Google ecosystem. Let me know if you want me to make a video on the Google ecosystem and my migration to that. I think it might be useful for quite a few of you. But nevertheless, this is the phone, or the box for the phone. This is a 5G compatible phone. It's in a just black color. It's a 128 gig version, which is a bit of a downgrade from my Note 10, which was 256 gigabytes. But yeah, let's start with a unboxing. Yeah, so this is what the box looks like. I must admit, I absolutely adore the minimalist approach that Google have on these boxes. It just looks so nice. There's not much really to see on this. It's pretty cool. So without further ado, let's have a look what's inside. Okay, so this is the phone. You've got this screen protector thing on it, which obviously I'll take off. Obviously it comes with USB-C charging. Wow, I must admit I do actually like the look and feel of this phone. At first, when I saw the photos, the pictures, I honestly thought this was some sort of cheap plastic, but it feels premium. It does have a very nice and premium feel to it. It's almost like a sort of rubbery kind of feel, which I like. Let's put that to the side. Under this panel here, you have your instructions and paperwork. You can get it out. So obviously you have a SIM card adapter thing there. Inside of here you have some legal information. Yeah, put that to one side. And you have a instruction manual, a quick start guide, more like it. I am pretty disappointed in a way because on a 3A, if you haven't watched that video, check it out. I'll link it under this video. There was a Team Pixel sticker. It looks like they don't do that anymore. I don't see one yet. Anyway, but it's only a sticker, to be honest. So this is your, obviously I'm in the UK, so this is my 3-pin UK adapter. It's pretty massive. But hey, that's what you get. You get a USB-A to USB-C adapter here. Obviously your what am I talking about? Blimey. Obviously your USB-C cable here. And that is absolutely it, nothing under there. Yeah, so I've been using this phone for over a week now, and I must admit I am incredibly pleased with it. Not just with the battery life, which I only charged it a handful of times since getting it. I believe it was delivered, I can't remember if it was Sunday or Monday, the delivery. But it's literally just over a week now. And I absolutely adore this. Literally, I charge it maybe 3 or 4 times in that time. It just lasts and lasts. The camera is exceptional on this as well. As you can see, some of the photos I've taken, and I don't know why or what they've done to this, but the photos seem to be a lot better, a lot nicer than on my Note 10, which has 3 cameras. This only has 2 cameras on the back. But yeah, the phone itself is 5G, and I'm not actually using a 5G SIM in there at the moment. My contract doesn't do 5G, unfortunately. But I have future-proofed myself with this phone from that regard. Yeah, so this is what the phone looks like after weeks of using it. I did manage to get a nice case for it. It's not the official Google one, just one I found on Amazon. It's got the little holder thing on it as well. It's pretty nice and heavy duty. And the link to that will be in the description of this video. Now, one thing I must admit I'm not getting used to at the moment is the fingerprint recognition at the back. But if I'm honest with you, that's not a big issue. I'll get used to it eventually. The screen is absolutely cool. I love the launcher on this. I absolutely love the way the launcher works. It works extremely well, especially if I just want to switch between apps. So all I have to do, if I wanted to switch from my YouTube channel to my blog, just do that and I'm on my blog. If I wanted to close stuff, I just drag and hold it up. It just works really well. All my apps are just literally there. I really love that. I love the Google News option here, which is really cool, I think. Everything from Google Home is right where I need it. Yeah, so that's just about it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon if you want more great content at your fingertips. Do check out my Facebook page as well as my Instagram. I tend to upload quite a few posts on there. And don't forget to check out my tech blog at www.techwithdom.com. I tend to post some, well, larger reviews which aren't really great in video form. and other articles.